Welcome back, students. Now I'll just be covering some basics on how to actually read in data. So on the course website, if you go under the 999 course datasets tab, you can find open source.csv data files. It's really nice because these data sets are already cleared for ethical use, so you can use them freely with and without ChatGPT, without worrying about confidentiality. Please do not upload any confidential data into ChatGPT. We'll go over this more in the medical ethics portion of the course. So what I want you to do is I want you to download a copy of a course data set. In this example, I'm using diabetic data. Download it into your our project folder. And what we can do is the first time we actually read in a CSV, we can right click or sorry, we can click it and we can say import data set. And we see up here we get a file URL. So we can actually exploit that by copying it, canceling, going back to our data setting tab and just pasting that file path. Now what we can do is we can make a file called that, run the assign function, use read.csv, a double quotation in Mac. Now, if you're in Windows, the brackets are going to be in the opposite direction. And we just run that line and we get a warning. So there's some sort of data input warning. But on my computer, and hopefully on yours as well, this is the file path to my diabetic data set. And really what we want here is this is showing that I've named my project folder correctly. You could have stuff before the left side of this project folder, that's okay, but right below this project folder, I want all of your file paths to look exactly like this or to your chosen course data set. I simply want you to read it in, calling it that, and then we can run some basic commands. So we can run summary. Okay, so again, it's not reading in correctly this data set. However, um, that is how to actually do it. So choose a course data set, read in your CSV. I'll provide a more debugged piece of code on how to run this particular data set in a future video.